Welcome you friend in Dr. Agriculturist. In this video, we will talk about best books for ICAR JRF Plant Science. JRF Plant Science syllabus includes various subjects like genetics and plant breeding, plant pathology, seed science and technology, agricultural microbiology, plant genetic resources, plant physiology and general agriculture. Recommended books for genetics and plant breeding. Fundamentals of Genetics by B.D. Singh, Plant Breeding Principles and Methods by B.D. Singh, Plant Science at a Glance by Mangesh Y. Dudhe, Plant Science by New Vishal Publications, Objective Genetics by B.D. Singh, Objective Plant Breeding by B.K. Prasad and B.D. Singh. Alternative for B.D. Singh is Objective Genetics and Plant Breeding by Fundan Singh. You can choose between B.D. Singh and Fundan Singh. Recommended books for plant pathology. A textbook of fungi, bacteria and virus by H.C. Dubey. Plant pathology at a glance by Utpal Kumar Bhattacharya. Recommended books for seed science and technology. Seed science and technology by Subir Sen. Question bank seed science and technology by Competition Tutor. Recommended books for agricultural microbiology. Agriculture Microbiology by Mangesh Y. Dudhe, published by New Vishal Publication. Recommended books for plant genetic resources. Economic Botany and Plant Genetic Resource at a Glance. Recommended books for plant physiology. Plant Physiology by S.N. Pandey and B.K. Sinha. Objective Plant Physiology by Competition Tutor Publication. Recommended books for general agriculture. A competitive book of agriculture by Nemraj Sunda. Fundamentals of Agriculture by Arun Katyayan, Volume 1 and Volume 2. Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. Instant Horticulture by S.N. Gupta. Friends, always remember that not all the chapters of a book is important. Not all the pages of a chapter is important. So, take out important chapter first and highlight important points while reading. Make short note from what you read. Before reading any chapters, make sure that what you will learn from that chapter. It will improve your question forming ability. Always think like a teacher. First make questions from the topic and then find the answer. By this, you can remember the topics for longer time. It's better to read one book two times rather than reading two books single time. I would suggest that you should read all these books 3 to 4 times and make notes out of it and revise your notes more than 10 times. And remember that revision is key to success. If you have any doubt or query, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to purchase any of these books, I have provided online link in description below. In other video, we will talk about how to study and how to prepare notes for JRF. If you find this video useful, then please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy reading.